Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading and Writing Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 35th video in this series. It means that we have already discussed 34 highly repetitive and real exam questions and हमने कुछ strategies discuss की हैं along with tips so that you can achieve your results. Okay, especially this is important अगर अब आपका जो target score है वो 84 plus or 66 plus है, because recently changes have been made in the way in which PT is concorded with IELTS. So now for 8 bands you need 84 marks and for 7 bands you need 66 bands. Okay. First things first, that now UK also accepts PT for your work, study or settlement, so you can achieve your goal through PT, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PT academic. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. And if you follow our strategies, the strategies which we discuss, you will also be able to score then in your first attempt. And we have so many students who have achieved 90 overall. So if they can do, you can also do. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. A PT reading integrated section timer होता है उसमें, it's from 32 to 41 minutes. And how many question types it has? It has 5 question types. And the first question type is reading and writing, filling the blanks. Now let's see how to attempt it. But before that, let's quickly see the scoring of PT reading. As you can see, the reading contributes only 46 to 47 marks in total. Okay. And out of those, 22 marks come from RWFIBs or reading and writing, filling the blanks, and 22 marks come from writing. So let's say आपके पास 4 questions आते हैं, right? So approximately 5.5 marks each आपके हर question contribute करेगा reading में and writing में. So that's why it's very important, especially when your target score is 84 plus or even 66 plus. Now what is the strategy? First of all, you need to manage your time yourself. So a maximum, you can give a maximum of 3 minutes. So in these 3 minutes, you have to solve your questions, right? And can you understand and read everything about that reading and writing, filling the blanks in just 3 minutes? The answer is no. Then what is the right strategy? The right strategy is to do the skimming, and we teach the art of skimming to our students who take coaching from us online or in-institute coaching. And this is today's topic, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we will start discussing. Okay, now you know, first of all we skim it for understanding the gist कि किस बारे में क्या central idea या core theme है. उसके बाद we see for its tone, positive tone है, negative tone है, neutral है या academic tone है. Along with that we see the tenses which are being used, present tense use हो रहा है, past tense use हो रहा है या future tense use हो रहा है. So let's get started. Okay. The general perception is that children are surrounded by a variety of musical experiences. There are often fewer and fewer opportunities for children to actively engage in music making themselves. They are something with the music emitting from a something of electronic devices, and computers offering a limitless number of music selections. However, much of the music in children's life are unchosen. In other words, they are something recipients in much of the music in their lives and not actively engaged in its selection. They experience background music in computer games, cartoons, TV shows, films, iPads, and ringtones. They listen to music choices of their parents or siblings, and even schools they attend often play music before the school day begins or in classrooms, something students are working. Studies are being conducted on the effects of ubiquitous pre-recorded music they encounter and whether or not it is intruding on their desire to make their own music or interact with each other on the playground. So okay, सो यहाँ पे हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, राइट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द म्यूजिक की। ठीक है, बच्चों के पास बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं खुद से म्यूजिक बनाने की, बट उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा अब वैरायटी है आजकल जहाँ वो म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं, राइट। एंड जो उनकी चॉइसेस हैं, लाइक स्कूल्स में भी म्यूजिक प्ले होता है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ। ओके, अब tone, the tone is neutral, you may say, or slightly positive also. First it was neutral, then it's negative, then again it's neutral. Tenses also we have seen. Ab isme two things I have put asterisk on. So the first one is fewer and fewer, and second is ubiquitous. Okay, this is not ubiquitous, this is ubiquitous. Okay, right. So अब ubiquitous का meaning क्या है? Because vocab is the important part of reading and you have to improve your vocab. Ubiquitous means omnipresent, मतलब हर जगह present हो वो चीज़, तो हम उसको ubiquitous कहते हैं। तो अब जो प्री रिकॉर्डेड म्यूजिक है वो हर जगह प्रेजेंट है। अब इसमें देयर आर अनदर थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इज आई हैव पुट वन मोर स्टार। सो यहाँ पे फियर एंड फियर का मतलब क्या है? फियर मीन्स ना के बराबर। ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर अ फ्यू मीन्स सम पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी, फ्यू मीन्स क्लोज टू जीरो, मीन्स ना के बराबर। सो फियर एंड फियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज मतलब कम होती हुई अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ना के बराबर opportunities. So this is a part of grammar which we teach to our students in our grammar course. Another important grammar rule, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए प्री रिकॉर्डेड का यहाँ पे हाइफन है, this is rule of British English where we use hyphen because यहाँ पे आपके alphabets repeat हो रहे हैं, re and re, so that's why we are putting a hyphen over here. All these rules, though it might seem subtle, subtle means बहुत छोटे लगते हैं, मामूली लगते हैं, but they are very important when your target score is 84 plus. So you need to know all these rules. Okay, so let's get started. They are something with the music emitting from. अब आपको पता है जब भी हम blank fill करते हैं, we read 3-4 words before the blank, 3-4 words after a blank. अब they are handled, dated, inundated और stated. Okay, right. अब यहाँ पे सारे ही ईडीज के फॉर्म्स हैं, तो एक सिंपल सी बात है, आप कोई ग्रामर रूल तो नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते। अब आप यहाँ पे किसके बेसिस पे सॉल्व करोगे? अपनी वोकैब के बेसिस पे। ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे इनंडेटेड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इनंडेटेड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? ओवरवेलमिंग, मतलब बाढ़ ले आनी या फ्लड होना किसी चीज का। ओके, अब बाकी मोर और लेस स्टूडेंट्स को मीनिंग पता होता है। हैंडल मतलब हैंडल करना, डेटेड लाइक जैसे हम कार्बन डेटिंग की बात करते हैं, राइट, और स्टेटेड मतलब बताना, राइट। सो यहाँ पे दे आर something with music emitting from something electronic devices and computers offering a limitless number of musical selections. Okay, हम variety की बात कर रहे हैं, number की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। एंड इनमें से कौन सा वर्ड नंबर को रेफर करता है? द ओनली आंसर इज inundated. Okay, inundate is the word which refers to number कि हमने उनको overwhelm कर दिया, फ्लड हो गए, उनके पास म्यूजिक का फ्लड है, बहुत ज़्यादा उनके पास choices हैं. So that's why we are going to select the answer as inundated. Okay, with music emitting from a wide array and simple way of electronic devices. अब from a wide array and wide array, अगर आप हमारे existing student हैं तो we use this word in our templates also. Essay templates, right? Yes, we have a templates which can help you to score even 90 if you apply them correctly. So you can easily find out, because यहाँ पे आप क्या बात कर रहे हो? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस, टॉयज, कंप्यूटर्स की, लिमिटलेस नंबर की, तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा चॉइस है। इनंडेटेड मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लड हो रहा है। फ्रॉम अ वाइड एरे मीन्स फ्रॉम अ वाइड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस। तो ये भी आपका नंबर्स के बेसिस पे ही सॉल्व होगा। इट्स बेस्ड ऑन योर वोकैब अगेन। ओके, सो यहाँ पे इनंडेटेड भी नंबर्स के बेसिस पे आपने आंसर फाइंड आउट किया, और वाइड अरे भी नंबर के बेसिस पे ही आंसर फाइंड आउट करोगे। ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक. In other words, they are something recipients in much of the music in their lives and not actively engaged in its selection. अब अगर आपने हमारी फॉरवर्ड रीडिंग की स्ट्रैटेजी को समझा हुआ है, then you can easily solve this blank. अब यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या है? पैसिव, मैसिव, एडहेसिव, सुपर. एक ही रीजन है क्यों यहाँ पे जो आपका राइट आंसर है वो पैसिव है, वो क्यों फिट होगा? बिकॉज फॉरवर्ड रीडिंग से we have seen that they are not actively engaged. अब एक्टिव का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? पैसिव. सो अगर आप एक्टिवली एंगेज नहीं हैं तो आप क्या हैं? पैसिव रिसिपिएंट्स हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज passive recipients. Okay, I hope this is clear. All these tips, strategies we teach to our students, both online students as well as in institute students. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Often play music before the school day begins or in classroom students are working. Okay, अब यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? And this is based on pure grammar. And if you have attended our prepositions lecture, conjunctions lecture, you can easily solve this. So over here we can use process of elimination also, right, in which we eliminate the wrong options and when we are left we try to find the best answer. So अब इसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. स्कूल्स जब वो अटेंड करते हैं, जब बच्चे स्कूल्स को अटेंड करते हैं तो स्कूल डे शुरू होने से पहले भी म्यूजिक प्ले होता है और क्लासरूम्स में जब वो काम कर रहे होते हैं तब भी प्ले होता है. तो अब जब यहाँ पे ना वेयर आ सकता है ना विच आ सकता है. विच क्यों नहीं आएगा? बिकॉज यू नो विच से पहले कॉमा आता है, पार्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रामर रूल्स. तो यहाँ पे क्या कॉमा है? द आंसर इज नो. अगर कॉमा नहीं है तो यहाँ पे आप विच नहीं सिलेक्ट करोगे. वर्ब तो एक वर्ब है, राइट? सो वर्ब यहाँ पे नहीं फिट होगी. यहाँ पे बेसिकली आपका व्हेन, व्हाइल या विच ही यूज हो सकता था. अब डिफरेंस क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हेन होगा और व्हाइल होगा, राइट? Means play music before the school day begins or in classroom when students are working or while students are working. And if you have attended our grammar lectures, you know when कब use होता है. When you are talking about two events, right? One is the bigger event and when the smaller event has finished. Means जब एक इवेंट फिनिश हो चुका होता है, आप फिनिश्ड इवेंट की बात कर रहे होते हो जो सेम टाइम पे हो रहा होता है पर बिगर इवेंट अभी भी चल रहा होता है. ओके, बट वाइल कब यूज होता है? जब दोनों इवेंट्स पैरेलल में चल रहे हों. तो क्या उन्होंने काम करना खत्म कर दिया है? द आंसर इज नो. कैसे पता चला? आर वर्किंग. वर होता तो मीन्स इवेंट फिनिश हुआ होता, बट यहाँ पे आर है मतलब इवेंट अभी भी चल रहा है. सो दो पैरेलल इवेंट्स के लिए आप विच और वाइल में से कौन सा वर्ड यूज करोगे? द आंसर इज while, right? I hope you have understood this concept, the difference between which and while, but we cover all these concepts in detail in our grammar lectures. So we have selected while. Now let's see if all the answers are correct or not. Yes, all the answers are correct. Now what is our strategy for solving reading and writing filling the blanks? We solve our reading and writing filling the blanks on the basis of context, lexical resource and grammar. So on context, we look for skimming, like as you have seen, we started with the skimming and today we could solve one blank on the basis of forward reading, जहाँ पे आपने passive answer forward reading से find out किया. Then another strategy is backward reading as well as matching the tone. For lexical resource, we have collocations, phrasal verbs and vocab. Vocab is something which you build slowly and steadily, and we have a great list for our students for collocations which they can go through and can improve their knowledge of collocations. Or vocab mein we learned a new word today which was ubiquitous, okay, which means omnipresent, har jagah present tha. Coming to the grammar, we have a complete grammar course for our students. Jisme we teach them parts of speech, subjects verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules and sentences. Today you saw the application of signposting words like while and which, right? What is it versus when? And we have covered all these questions in our prepositions as well as signposting lectures. Coming to the British English rule, you know that why there is a hyphen between pre-recorded. Now this is a British English rule which we teach to our students. So complete grammar is very important to know, especially if you are looking for 84 plus marks now, right? And remember, you just have 3 minutes to solve your reading and writing filling the blanks. So in first 30 to 60 seconds you are going to skim the content. आपने content skim कर लिया. In next 90 to 120 seconds you have to use process of elimination or use your grammar vocab knowledge to find out the answers. And all the strategies which we teach to our students are validated and proven strategies. What's the proof? Proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target scores, and these are some of our success stories where students have achieved 84 plus each. Okay, So they have scored 90 each also, 86, 89 with minimum of 84 plus each in all the 4 modules. So if they can score using our strategies, you can also score. And if you have any questions or doubts, you can WhatsApp us at 8699 121 121. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.